Experiencing SIM card problems on your simple mobile phone? Don't worry, most issues can be resolved quickly. This video will guide you through the common causes and how to fix them. Simple Mobile operates on T-Mobile's network, so understanding how your SIM card interacts with both your device and the network is key. We'll cover the most frequent problems: improper SIM tray fit, dirty SIM contacts, activation errors, and incorrect APN settings. Knowing how to address these issues yourself can save you time and potential costs. Remember to power off your device before attempting any physical adjustments to the SIM card. As of 2025, many users are also transitioning to eSIMs, but this video focuses on troubleshooting physical SIM cards. By understanding these basic principles, you can ensure a stable connection with Simple Mobile. Let's dive into specific solutions. First, ensure your SIM card is properly seated in the tray. Use the provided ejection tool, align the notch, and avoid bending the card. A loose fit can cause no SIM errors. Next, clean the SIM card contacts gently with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dirt or corrosion. If the SIM isn't activating, double-check that you've entered your IMEI and zip code correctly in the Simple Mobile app and that your plan is active. Activation should occur within minutes. Finally, confirm your APN settings are correct. The APN should be set to simple with a blank username and password, and the MMSC should be set to htmpl.ms.msg.tmobile.com/ms/wapenc. Incorrect APN settings will block your mobile data. By systematically checking these elements, you can resolve the majority of SIM card-related issues on Simple Mobile.